Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW X1 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, basically a home screen. And once you see it, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the icon will basically change the color, which indicates that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And you can then swipe up on the screen to close the quick panel. And if you want to disable the mode, you simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon again. The icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And once you're done, of course, you can press the side button or swipe up on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.